Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to download Firefox. So let's get started. At first, open your web browser and go to the official Mozilla Firefox website by typing www.mozilla.org in the address bar. Once on the Mozilla homepage, locate the download section. You will usually find a prominent button saying Download Firefox. Click on it to initiate the download process. Firefox automatically detects your operating system. If it doesn't, manually select your operating system, Windows, Linux, Macs from the options provided to ensure you download the correct version. After selecting your operating system, click on the Download Now button. Firefox will start downloading. The download time may vary based on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your system. Double-click on it to run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Firefox on your computer. And that's it. Downloading Firefox is a straightforward process. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more skillful content. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.